Tashi deleg. Ani keranso depo impe.
Naso depo inpe.
So they go in.
Oh, inpe mare inpe tiwarwa. Matso depo in. Oh yeah. Lasu. Tujiche tashi deleg. Lasu. Today we gonna do again kaparduk. Okay? Yanker checking. Yanker kaparduk checking.
Tensinla,
Yes.
please record. Please record.
Yes, I did. I just.
It does already.
Thank you. We just want to make sure.
That's right. I forget. Really, Lazarus. Okay. Tade kaparduk nimalagi yakulapson kapar radi latinre akosuma. Here kaparduk. This ra is also same as la because la is freedom. La has a freedom, so we use la in the answer. Okay? You can also say kapala duk. Okay? That's same. Or kawala duk. Like this. Or kapar duk. Or kapar duk. Let's learn kapar duk. How goes one? Oh yeah. That's all. Tade kaparduk, hagosuma kaparduk, gangladuk, okladuk, chilogladuk, nangladuk, yorobladuk, parladuk, ruba gyakarladuk, peladuk, amerikaladuk, karilapna digiruwa, laso, da inda yagulaps. Okay. Yeah, the chili practice in the yen hong la kirangi tiwalo siwat gi len gyab len di yen hong la in
Tap di kaparduk.
tep di kaparduk siwat la tep di kaparduk
Tap the I forgot how to say inside.
nangla here
Nangla.
nang
Tap the Tap the gam ki nangla duk.
빼하고 연결직 숭아 다 연결시킨다
Tap the gam ki nangla duk.
That's it 빼하고 tep di gamki nangla duk 빼하고 넣었어 오야 네 tep di gamki nangla duk That's it 야골로송 투지치 야 마르셀로라 인다 디 티와 딜로 니 데네 소냐라 렌 잡기인다 소냐라 앤서 치기 that's
Gamdi kaparduk.
빼하고 감디 카파르둑 소냐라 감디 카파르둑
Gamdi tepki chilok laduk.
실록 레베 okla labna digiru
Sorry, okla. Yeah, okla.
야골라
Tep di.
탭 말에 감
Sorry, gam di tepki ukladuk.
That's it 빼하고 감디 탭기 okladuk 빼하고 넣었어 야골로서 투지체 다인다 테네 맥그레거라 지와인다 테네 니말라기 렌잡긴 맥그레거라 딜로아
Jadi ini kaparduk.
연결로 맥그레거라 깨친 보인다 차딩이 카파르둑 근데 라벤다
Jadi kaparduk.
That's it. 빼하고. 야, 니말라
차지니 강기 낭라도
빼하고 투지체. 자디니 감기 낭라두 빼하고. Very good. That's it. 야골 없어. 오케이. 다인다. 왕물라 다시들레 왕물라 유베. 왕물라 딜로
뉴코티니 카바도.
빼하고 양결식로탕
뉴코티니 카바도.
빼하고 뉴구디니 카파르드 엔클레르라 트라이치긴베.
Okay. Do you want me to repeat?
No, answer. 뉴구디니 카파르드 뉴구디니 카파르드
Nyukudini
Box gamre gam
Gangladuk. Tepki Gangladuk. Gangki Gangladuk.
That's it. 빼하고 뉴구디니 감기 강라두. You got it. 양결식 랍다. 엔클레르라 양결식 송탕.
Okay. Nukudi Gangki Gangladuk.
That's it. 뉴구디니 감기 강라두. That's it. 뉴구디니 감기 강라두. 빼하고 투지체 왕모탄 엔클레르라 투지체. 오야. 다데네 야 딘다. 디 타랄라 딜로 아티와. 아니 로드리고라 answer인다.
Pukudi Kapardu.
양결식로 당 타랄라
Pukudi Kapardu.
빼하고. 야 로드리고라 부쿠디 카파르두.
Pukti Yakki Gangladug.
That's it. 빼하고 송송 로드리고라 양결식 송당. 부쿠디 카파르두.
Pukti Yakki Gangladug.
That's it. 부쿠디 야키 강라두. That's it. 빼하고.
Pukti Yakki Gangladug. Pukti Yakki Gangladug.
That's it. 부쿠디 야키 강라두. That's it. 빼하고 나서. 투지체. You can practice answering while muting it. 하고서나. 빼하고 나서 투지체. 다되네야. 제클라인다. 제클라 키디 카파르둑. Kidi
Kangpai Chilokladuk.
That's it. Kidi kangpa yi or kangpe chilokladuk. 양결식로당. Kidi 카파르둑.
Kidi Kangpe Chilokladuk.
That's it. Kidi kangpe chilokladuk. That's it. Kidi kangpe chilokladuk. Woo. Kidi kangpe chilokladuk. That's it. 야굴로송. 빼야굴로송. 야굴로송. 오야. 다 되네. 마르셀로 라인다. 미디니 카파르둑.
미디니 캄페 칠록라둑.
That's it. 미디니 강페 칠록라둑. That's it. 미디니 강페 칠록라둑. That's it. 빼야굴로송. 다데 바르라 하고송아 바르라 in between. 바르라 as a bharto, right? Par in between, tho balance balance in between. Partho. Agosuma. Tata di par la labdu in between, at between, showing location. Agosuma. Okay? Oh yeah. Yeah, dine McGregor la inda. McGregor la. Kushu di kaparduk. Try to answer. Huh? Kushu di kaparduk.
Kushu di gam ni
Mhm.
ki parladuk.
That's it. Kushu di gam chikni. Ni ki parladuk. That's it. Kushu di gam ni ki parladuk. Agosuma. Kushu di gam ni ki parladuk. That's it. Agosuma. Okay. So we know that kapar is a question, right? That's why we don't say duke here, okay? We don't say two question in one sentence, right? Here already kapar here, question. So that's why kushu di kapar duk, not kushu di kapar duke, not like this. Agosuma. If it's a statement like this, kushu di gamni ki parla duk, it's a statement. Just at Kasake became question. Kushudi gamni ki parla duke. Duke. Like this. Agosuma. Kushudi gamni ki parla duke. Then answer will be duk. Kushudi gamni ki parla duk. Like this. Agosuma. Agosuma. Okay. Then opposite miduk. Miduk. Duk. Miduk. Like this. Okay. We did homework well. I can see that. Very good. Tujche. So the negative miduk. Agosuma. Oh yeah. Like this. So till now, all our answer is duk, 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 because it's not our general knowledge. It's direct perception. That's why we're saying duk, duk, duk. Agosuma. Okay? Like this. Okay. Fair. Tainda. Let's practice. Yeah, yen hong la in the yen hong la. Mi dini, kangpe chilok la duke.
Duk. Mi dini kangpe chilo lak duk.
Okay, yang kerinda. Mi dini,
Duk.
kangpe nangla duke.
Min duk. Mi dini kangpe nangla min duk. Mi dini kangpe chilo lak duk.
That's it. Fair. Fair song. Like this. Okay. I will have some. Yeah. Tene Sonia la in the Sonia la. Kidi kangpe nangla duke. Kidi kangpe nangla duke.
Kidi kangpa na nangla miduk.
That's it. Kangpa mare kangpe.
Kangpe
Yang kersunga.
miduk.
Kidi
kangpe nangla miduk.
That's it. Kidi kangpe chilok la duke.
Duk. Kidi kangpe chilok la duk.
That's it. That's it. 야구랍성 투지체 올라서 라인다 테네 수두야 로드리고 라인다 로드리고라 부쿠디 이야키 강라 두케 부쿠디 이야키 강라 두케
Duk. Pukudi yak la Kangla Duk.
이야키 강라
Yaki Kangla Duk.
양결인다 부쿠디 이야키 강라 두케
Duk. Pukudi Kangla Yaki Duk.
말해
Yaki Kangla Duk.
Oh.
Yaki Dang Kangla Duk.
That's it. Yaki Kangla. Akosuma. Okay? Right now, you think English, then you make mistake. Akosuma. English. No, Gangla on top of comes before, but in Tibetan is after. Akosuma. Oh yeah. Yaki Kangla Duk. Like this. Well. Tujiche, Rodrigo. Oh yeah. En Clerla in the En Clerla.
Monsieur.
Nyukudini Gamki Nangla Duke.
Duk. Nyukudi
Yanker in the Nyukudini Gamki Nangla. Inside la.
Miduk. Nyukudi Nyukudi Gangla Ki Gangki Gangla
No. Yanker in the Yanker Nyukudi Gamki Nangla Duke. Nangla Duke.
Miduk Nyukuni Gangki Gangla Duk.
Oh, dete yeah, en Clela, nyen Nyukudini Gamki Nangla Duke. Miduk. Nyukudini Gamki Nangla Miduk. Nyukudini Gamki Gangla Duk. That's how you say. Agosunga en Clela.
Can you say again?
Okay, no problem. Here.
Yeah.
The question will be Nyukudini Gamki Nangla Duke. Nyukudini Gamki Nangla Duke. Miduk. Nyukudini Gamki Nangla Miduk. Nyukudini Gamki Gangla Duk. Like this. Agosunga.
Hagoson.
That's how you answer. Okay.
It's confusing. It's Gang and Gangla. Yeah.
Really. Drapoduk. Alike. Dratang, Drapoduk. Ruba. Chikpa Mare.
Chikpamari. Okay.
Chikpa Mare. Drapoduk. Alike. Oh yeah.
That's
Tarala in the Tarala. Chadini Gamki Chilokla Duke.
Silok. Outside, no. Okay. Midu. Chadi ni Gamki Chilok Laduk. Chadi ni Gamki Nangladuk.
That's it. Chilokla Miduk Nangla Duk. That's it.
Nangladuk. Yeah.
Yakulapson, Tujiche Tarala. Olas.
Just
Ralaya Boha Kosong. Dine ya Wangmula inda. Wangmula Tepdi Gamki Gangla Duke.
탭디 감기 강남인도 탭디 감기 낭라도
There, Tujichi. Olaso. Dine Nimala inda. Gamti Tepki Nangla Duke.
Gamji tepki nanglamindu. Gamji tepki ogladu.
Peago, Tujichi. Peago Sungsung, Peago Sungsung. Tujichi. That's it. Peago Sungsung. Now the Nangla inside way. Nangla, Nangla, Nangla. Agosunga. We use this word a lot. Nangla. You will see it. Agosunga. Nangla inside way. Chilokla outside way. Agosunga. Gangla on top. Okla under way. Agosunga. Parla in between. Pöla at Tibet or in Tibet. Jagarla in India. Europla in Europe. That's it. Agosma. Now we know that this la is always written after the location or direction to indicate where that thing exists. Agosma. When you say Tepdi Gamki Nangladuk, it simply means the book exists inside the box. Agosonga, inside of box. Like this. So this la shows where it exists. Agosonga, this la particle. And it always goes after the location or direction. Agosonga, okay? If it's not direction, then you don't say la. If you are indicating direction, you must say la. Agosonga. Oh yeah. Las. Ladiya word chesong. Okay. Okay. Now, if you see here, I have written two sentences. Okay. Okay, let's say here. Tangbudi nipa. Tangbudi. Oh, pöla yak duk. Oh, pöla yak duk. Like this. We talked about this before, that duk is always used when it's direct experience and not general knowledge. Agosuma. At that time, you say duk. Oh, pöla yak duk. Like this. Then here, pöla yak yure, not duk here. Yure is when it's your general knowledge. Agosuma. Okay? Now you can see the difference between duk and yure. Duk and yure. You can see. Okay? For example, I will never say pöla yak duk because it's not, it's a general knowledge for me. That's why I always say yure. As a Tibetan, I know it. It's general knowledge for me. If someone who is not from Tibet and he went to Tibet and he saw so many yak, then he would say, oh, Pela yak duk, like this. Like this. Then I would say Pela yak yure, like this. So if we see la is always indicating the where it is, right? Location. Location is pö here, like this. Pöla yak duk, pöla yak yure, like this. Okay. Now I will add one more. It will be confusing in English. Okay. Ngala yak yu here. That's it. In English, this will be translated as I have a yak. I have yak. Right? That gives you that sense. But in Tibetan, it simply means yak is at you, with you. It simply shows where is the yak. That's it. That's all.
Tên chỉ là yang kia sung thẳng.
Okay, lasso.
Ngã là yak
Yu, ngala yak yu. In English, this will be translated as I have a yak.
Yes.
But in Tibetan language, because there is la, you can see, it's showing the direction. Direction is not always place. Okay? Or preposition. It can be human, animal, anyone too. So here direction is person. The yak is with you. It's not I have a yak.
Okay. Yak is with me. Okay.
That's it.
Reverse the order.
Because we know that la indicate direction or location. It indicates something else. One more. That we can talk later. Okay. Right now we are learning about location or direction, how to use it, how to end the sentence. As we see, when we use la, we have three different endings here. Duk, yure, yu. Okay? All these three are in the same category. They talk about existence. Okay? Duk, yure, yu. How goes on? And la indicates where it exists. Okay? In dictionary, if you try to translate it, it is locally translated as I have a yak. Okay? Like this. But here the la is only showing indicating the location. It could be person also, could be place, could be preposition, gangla, wokla, nangla, shilokla, anything, parla, like this. Okay? Oh yeah. So before I show this to you, here, yu, yure, duk. This sentence ending in this talk about existence. Okay? Like this. Or if you want to say where you are, you can use also you. Okay? I will show you here. Hmm? Before we learned here, Ki di kangpe shilok la duk, right? Ki di kangpe shilok la duk. We say duk because it's not our general knowledge. This photo, we recently view it. We are also direct experiencing it now. It's not general knowledge. That's why we're saying duk. Akosuma. Now, instead of kidi, you can change the subject to you, yourself, right? Nga. Nga, la, you. That's it. I am in Tibet. La. La is after the Tibet. So it shows I am in Tibet. Akosuma. Nga, la, you.
So Tenzima.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter which order the noun. Would you be able to say pula nya you?
That's it. That's it.
Okay.
That's the
thank
correct
you.
sentence. Because you put the la in the proper place. That's why sentence makes sense, even if you mix it. Akosuma. Just like that. Tenzin is my name. My name is Tenzin Thoisam. Just like that. Peako. Oh yeah. Akosuma. But this is
Tenzin last, so we can say Ngi Bangkok la you.
nga nge mare nga.
Nga, okay, nga, who la you.
Nga Bangkok la you. Nga.
Bangkok la you. Or nga Thailand la you.
That's it. Nga
Okay.
Thailand la you.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you say?
Ke mare thujiche. Like this. Akosuma. Nga la you. Like this. Then, if you know about your friend, Nge Trokpo Europe la Yuri. Like this. General knowledge. Nge Trokpo Europe la Yuri. Like this. Akosuma. Nge Trokpo Europe la Yuri. Nge Trokmo Europe la Yuri. Like this. Akosuma. Or general knowledge. Donald Trump Ari la Yuri. America la Yuri. Like this. Akosuma. Okay. Like this. Nga pela yu. Or you can say third person. Kong England la Yuri. Kong Australia la Yuri. Kong Austria la Yuri.
So America is Are, huh?
Really? Ari.
Ari, yeah. Kiku, Ari. Ari, okay.
Really? Like this. So you can also say, yes, please.
So if your friend called you and told you I'm now in Austria, I'm in Austria for the weekend, would you say Jure or would you say Duke?
You say you.
But so it's not direct perception.
What do you mean?
Right. So what's I'm trying to find the difference between Jure and Duke.
Okay. So when you say I am in Europe, it's not you are realizing it. It's your general knowledge. Akosuma. Okay. So when you look for yourself, you use it in a situation like you thought you didn't have any pen. but you check your pocket and you saw, oh, ngala nyuku duk. At that time, you say. Otherwise, most
Okay.
time, it's general knowledge for you. Hakuzuma.
Yeah.
Like,
Hakusong.
like this. Very good. Only like this kind of situation. Oh, then you say, look for yourself, for him, her, for it, that, anything. Hakuzuma. Like this. Okay. Oh, yeah. Any more doubt about difference between duk and yure and yu? Tiwa Yupe, question. Do you have questions? Like this. Very good.
No, but is Ari short for America?
There, Ari.
Okay.
Agosuma. Okay. Then the question will be, where are you? Will be Kirang Kapar Yu. You can write this down. Very common. Agosuma. Kirang Kapar Yu. Like this. Then answer will be Nga Pula Yu. Agosuma. Okay. Kerang kapar yu. Like this. Oh, nga pela yu. Or, oh, nga Europla yu. Like this. Agosuma.
Angela, would it be Miyo to say I am not in Tibet, like na per la Miyo?
Miyo mare. Me,
Okay.
me. Maringbo me, ta met. Me. Okay.
Okay.
Yogi opposite mere. Me. Me. Agosuma. You re, you mare. Okay. I will write it here. No problem. Duk. Me duk. You re. You mare. Then you. Me. If somebody asks, Kirang Pula you pay, then you can say, you, nga pula you, or me, nga pula me, nga Kathmandula you, like this. Agosuma. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we know a little bit about how to use duk, yure, and yu. We have little idea. We still didn't understood totally. For that, we have to use it, make mistake. Then I will correct it. Okay? Like this. Very good. Yeah, practice in the practice. Yeah. Siwatla in the Siwatla. Oh, Siwatla. Hello. Tashidele. Kerang kapar yu.
Tasitele nga Denmark Denmark yö. Denmark yö. Nga Denmark ne yö.
Mare mare. Where is the la? La is the main.
Nga
Hmm?
nga Denmark la yö.
That's it. Agosuma. That's it. Beavo. Ale. Lasso. Like this. Hmm? Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, Sonia la in the Sonia la. Sonia la tashi dele kerang kapar yö.
Nga Hamburg la yö.
That's it. If I ask you, kerang England la yö pe.
Mare.
Me.
Me. Oh, would I say only me? Okay.
That's it.
Me. Nga. What was the question? Ma England la mare.
England la me.
Yö. Me.
Opposite of you is me. Okay?
Yeah.
That's it. No problem. Nga me. Nga England la me. Nga Hamburg la you. Just like this. Okay? Oh yeah. Pay out. Yeah, Marcelo la in the Marcelo la touch the leg. Marcelo la kerang kapar you.
Na Brazil la ye.
Ale kerang Portugal la me pe.
Me. Na Portugal la me. Na Brazil la ye.
That's it. Tujiche. Just like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, Rodrigo la in the Rodrigo la. Rodrigo la tashi dele kerang kapar you.
Yö ne Denmark ne.
Kerang kapar you. I would say nga pela you. What would you say?
Nga Denmark yö.
La, you missed the la, main thing.
Oh,
The indicator.
na Denmark la yö.
That's it. Nga Denmark la you. That's it.
Na Denmark ya.
Yankerinda, Rodrigo la Yankerinda. Rodrigo la kerang kapar you.
Na Denmark la yö.
Nga Denmark la you. That's it. You have to say la after the location. Hakosuma. Like this. Okay. Nimala in the Nimala. Nimala tashi dele kerang sogyul la you pe.
Nga Sogyul la yö.
Ale kerang Europe la me pe.
Nga Europe la me. Sogyul la yö.
That's it. Pe. Yeah, Jake la in the Jake la. Jake la tashi dele kerang kapar you.
Na England la yö.
Ale kerang France la me pe.
Me. Na France la me. Na England la yö.
That's it. Pe. Tujiche.
Ucheche.
Also Anne Claire la in the Anne Claire la tashi dele.
Shidedek.
Anne Claire la kerang kapar you.
Nya England la ye.
Ale kerang Denmark la me pe.
Me. Nya Denmark la me. Yeah.
Just like this. When you are saying nga, you are touching your tongue on the upper mouth. Don't touch it. Leave the tongue down there and say nga from the throat. Nga, like this.
Nga.
Okay. If you say nya, this is nya. How goes nga? This dingi chikpa mare. These two are not same. How goes nga? Di nga re. Di nya re. Okay?
Nasıl?
Oh yeah, incredible.
Mhm.
Tujiche. So when you say nga, you shouldn't touch your tongue on the upper mouth. Just keep it open and say it from the throat. Nga, nga, like this. How goes one?
Nga, nga.
Oh yeah, like this. Tujiche. Ta dharala inda, dharala touch delay.
다시 delay.
Dharala kerang kapar yu. Kerang kapar
아,
yu.
걔랑,
Nga, when you talk about
yeah. nga, Bangkok you. Bangkok la you.
that's it. Yankarinda. Kerang kapar yu.
걔랑, nga, Bangkok la you.
Kerang Chiang Mai la yu pe.
Me, nga, Chiang Mai là về nga Bangkok là yo.
That's it. Yagulapso. Oh yeah. Pamula Dashi the lake. Pamula Kerang kapar yu.
Nga Hong Kong là yu.
Ale. Kerang Taiwan la me pe.
Nga Taiwan là me.
Ale laso hakosong tujiche. Olaso. Yen Hong la inda. Yen Hong la. Oh, Yen Hong la Dashi the lake. Kerang Italy la yu pe.
매, nga 이탈리 라 매, nga 타이완 라 유.
That's it. Well, tujiche 상막이 야골랍소. Oh yeah. Nade tiwa. Question. Kerang kapar yu. Answer. Nga Taiwan la yu. Nga Hong Kong la yu. Nga Hamburg la yu. Nga Denmark la yu. Nga England la yu. Like this. How goes nga? McGregor la inda. McGregor la. Kerang kapar yu.
Nga Scotland's la you.
Ale. Kerang Ireland la mepe.
Nga Ireland's la me.
That's it.
Nga Scotland's la you.
That's it. Yagulapso. That's it. How goes nga? Oh yeah. That's it. Then you can ask about their friend. Keranki tokpo kapar yure. Like this. Keranki tokmo kapar yure. Keranki pala kapar yure. Keranki amala kapar yure. Like this. Or keranki shimi meow kapar yure. Like this. Keranki ki wo kapar yure. Keranki chocho brother chocho. Keranki chocho kapar yure. Keranki achak kapar yure. Like this. How goes nga? Okay? Like this. Keranki chocho. Yours brother. Chocho brother. How goes nga? Keranki chocho kapar yure. Like this. Ni chocho. Europe la yure. Ni chocho. Korea la yure. Like this. Okay. Now you can change this chocho to anything else. Keranki acha, keranki pala, keranki trokpo, keranki trokmo, keranki mota, keranki bike, keranki thep, anything. Agosuma, keranki thep kapar yure. Nge thep nangla yure. Or nge thep, anywhere you can say. Ruwa. Like this. Okay. Agosuma. Hola. Now we know that you, Yuri, and Duke it talks about existence. And at that time we use la particle who indicates where it exists. How goes on? Where it exists. That's it. La does, what does la do? La is the particle that shows location or direction. Like this, okay? There are 7 of them particle. Su, ra, ru, tu, na, la, tu. That's just introduction. Out of them, we use la, la, la. Because la don't have to look up what is the suffix. As drelda, the genitive particle, the connection particle. Because la has a freedom. That's why we use la, la, la without any looking at the suffix. Okay?
Jensen, what is the difference between ye and re? Like, when do you use one? When do you use the other?
Mostly, I would say that these two are similar. Okay, ye is more written form. Re came from spoken language. That's the difference. Okay, just like that. For the time being, you can say ye is used more for yourself and re for other. Okay. But that's not the rule. You can also use re for yourself also. Duk for yourself also. Okay. The real difference is that one. One is written, one is spoken. Oh yeah, just like that. Okay. So now we know these 3 are not talking about identifying. These 3 only talks about existence. And about identifying, we already learned before. I put it in the category here. Yin, Re, and Reduk. Reduk, I will describe in a little bit. We already learned Yin and Re for identifying. Nga tenzin Yin, nga tenzin Re. Nge ming tenzin Yin, nge ming tenzin Re. Like this. Kong siwat Re. Pumodi Sonya Re. Like this. We learned for identification, we already learned before. Don't mix these two. We can clearly see they both are different usage. And Reduk is kind of similar when you direct experience it. For example, I gave this example before. You thought it's a snake from a distance. And it's truth for you at that time. But when you go near, it's not. It's a rope. Then you say, oh, rope reduk. Rope reduk. Like this. Snake remiduk. Like this. Okay? I will write down the negative of them. For yin, min. For re, mare. For reduk, re, miduk. Like this. Okay? Nga yen hong min. Nga tenzin yin. Like this. Kong tenzin mare. Kong yen hong re. Like this. Now you thought it's yen hong from a distance. Then you went and it's not yen hong, it's siwat. Then you say Kong yen hong re minduk. Kong siwat re duk. Like this. At that situation. Yes, please.
Ngala Tiwayo.
Sundan.
Today explaining Bardo, you drop a word that to is balance.
Yes,
It's interesting.
many-
Yes, it's interesting. I know this word as a pair or something too. So it's some relation. So what's now the question? How you explain donan je? Nan is santana na nan. Donan je. Does it relate to your meaning of do or not? Thank you.
At that time, tho is different, I think. At that time, tho indicates true polarity. When you focus, you shouldn't focus on only one thing. You should look at both sides, bigger picture. Then you understand deeper. That's why thonang, that tho is different. That's I would say. That's it. But here, when you say partho, I would say that tho at that time is balance. Balance in between. Just like that. But I don't know about this until I taste it. Otherwise, this all will be my borrowed knowledge. You shouldn't trust my word. This word, you should taste yourself. Okay? Whatever I say or someone else say will be borrowed knowledge. That's all. Tujiche.
I'm sorry, I have to say goodbye. I have to have a meeting. I see the rest on the video. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Taha kosonga de. You re duk. Today we practice this. Oh yeah. Then please practice it well. Then don't mix this with the identification. Okay? Yin and re duk. Like this. Okay? Many students mix these two. You should practice it. Then after that, we will learn about verb. And when we learn verb, we will learn 3 tense with it. Before we learn verb, we must practice this properly. Oh yeah. In the next class, I will create some exercise and we will practice more about this topic. Oh yeah. Ani thiring theza mean tuji che trashi delek.
What's our homework for next lesson? Tenzin.
Yes, please.
He will send it on in the group.
What?
You will send the homework in the group, right?
Yes.
I'm asking about homework for next lesson.
Yes. I will send it in the group. I will send it in the link in the group. Okay? That's okay. I will make it. I will send. Tujiche, someone dashi de.
Tujiche, sawadika.
Thank you.
Hola. Ani bye bye. Tujiche, tata.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone.
That's bye bye. That's